The Last Supper. Second station, the agony in Gethsemane. Third station, Jesus before the Sanhedrin. It's the fourth station, the scourging and crowning with thorns. We are on the fifth station. It's Jesus received the cross. Sixth station, Jesus falls under the weight of the cross. So we are in the seventh station na, which is that Simon of Cyrene carries the cross of Jesus. On the eighth station na, which is Jesus meets the pious woman of Jerusalem. Medyo nakakalahati na natin, so medyo napapagod na tayo, which is numinipis na yung oxygen. Right, so let's take a look on the Ten Commandments. Right, so the ninth statement, Jesus is nailed to the cross. So we are on the 10th station, which is the repentance. 11th station, Mary and John at the foot of the cross. 12th station, Jesus dies on the cross. On the 13th station, Jesus laid in the tomb. And finally, to the last station, Jesus rises from death.